Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to edit site notifications on OnlyFans. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply go to onlyfans.com and hit on enter. Do log in if you already have not. Once you've logged in, this is the homepage of OnlyFans. Now to edit the site notifications, what I need to do is go to the settings. Simply click on your profile button that you will find at the top left. And from here, go to settings. Now there are lots of settings, namely profile, account, privacy and safety and notifications. But for now, we only need to focus on the notifications tab. Let's click on it. Right here, there's something like push notifications, email notifications, and site notifications. Let's click on it. Now you can turn these off or turn them on. It's completely up to you. You can only get selective notifications like new subscriber, new likes or anything. It's completely up to you. Well guys, that's it for the video. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.